see the pan is wet. So the water's coming in here from this drain, which is the secondary, what I call the safety. It's still, it was dripping just a little while ago, but we did the fix on it. And so now it's draining out the proper channels to go out of the, go downstairs into the bathroom, excuse me. You can see there's water right there. Those are water droplets in the center of the screen. That's because it's so cold and it's so hot. Otherwise, you can see droplets forming. See how my hand is wet? So it's not so much the pan is leaking, it's just that it's so cold, it's condensing the humidity in the air. So this water standing here is not good, and it's a great place for algae to form. So what we did downstairs, there's a P-trap right here, and this is generally full of water, which is a great place for it to form as well. And let me see if I can get a shot of this. Oh, there we go. See all the goo that's in there? So we're going to shoot it with the air snake once as well. But that pipe should be hooked up to the exterior of the house. Unfortunately, whoever set it up so that the pan, so that pipe now at the center of the screen drains out to the backyard. So it's a big old mess. And this bottom board, you can see this wet too. That bottom board is getting wet, and it's what's sheltering the ceiling below this from falling apart. There's a lot of houses right now with ceilings falling apart because this is dripping straight onto the ceiling. You see all that wet area. It's fresh water too. So yeah, this pan is very cold, so it's going to create condensation. Anyways, we're gonna get the air snake and hit this a few times to really get everything out. And that's really it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, you know what? Let's look at this real quick, because like I said, it's been sitting here for so long that it's creating algae and gunk right up in this. You see how much junk there is. That's there. Let's see if I can get this snake in here real quick. And you see all that nonsense? So eventually this is going to get occluded too. It's just algae. So we're just going to hit it with this little clothes hanger to clean it out. And that's pretty good, guys. Alright. Big difference, huh? Now it can drain freely. And when possible, I like to get the water hose in here with the little bladder. Put it in there and just really flush it really good. But there's no water access, and this house is very pretty, so I definitely don't want to dirty the carpets or whatnot. And that's all, guys. Like I said, we're going to put this P-trap with the snake one time and clear out what most likely is that junk out of this P-trap. See, this is the P-trap for the AC system. It goes down and up. And this is just a relief for air, because as water goes down, it needs to move air into that empty space now. If you don't have air relief, then that water will never go down, or you will hear gurgling as air bubbles back into those empty spaces that was the water. This is pretty good. They put this on there. It's not to keep it cool, it's to keep humid air from touching this P-trap, because the same thing ends up happening. This thing is cold and it condenses the air. So it's really good to keep air away from this cold spaces. If not, you end up having a drippage of water here, and eventually your ceiling will get damaged. Shoot. Yeah. So anyways, that's all, guys. I appreciate you watching. Thanks so much. And if you guys need any help with this, give us a call, 817-501-0424. I do this service as a courtesy to the area. It's $100. Come out here, clean it all out, and it works great. You can see this is already drying up, and I just did this 20 minutes ago. So all this will be dry, and hopefully, you know, this AC was put in 15 years ago, more or less. So this clean out should last another 10 years at least, I would say. All right. Thanks, guys. Just looking at random stuff, showing you the AC system. Every place has mice. It's hard to get rid of that, so you might see some droppings. All right, guys. Take care.